The favorite, Yes Pogi. And the rough. Early lead is taken by Rain Shower on the outside. Next big thing by the rail, Yes Pogi, Mary, and Doña Nenita in the hay. Each entry, number one, next big thing leading the field, followed by Rain Shower by the rail. And on the outside in third is Yes Pogi, Doña Nenita in the hay. And heading for the backstretch, it is still entry number one, and that is next big thing leading the field, followed by entry number 6, and that is Mary on the outside. Yes Pogi, Rain Shower, Doña Nenita, and Indy Hay is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, it's still next big thing by 4.5 lengths. Mary now running in second. Yes Pogi running in third. And in fourth is Rain Shower, Doña Nenita, Indy Hay. At the mid backstretch, it is still next big thing by 4.5 lengths, followed by Mary in second. And closing in third on the outside is Yes Pogi, Doña Nenita, Rain Shower, and Indy Hay. And rounding the far turn, it is still next big thing by only 3 lengths, followed by Mary and Yes Pogi. Moving up on the outside, Doña Nenita, Rain Shower, Indy Hay. And at the last bend for home, it is still next big thing in the lead, followed by Mary and Doña Nenita on the outside. On the farther outside, Rain Shower. Moving up on the inside, Yes Pogi. At the top of the stretch, it is still next big thing. And moving up on the outside is Doña Nenita, Yes Pogi, and Rain Shower on the farther outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it's Doña Nenita, next big thing. And finally at the payoff line, it's Doña Nenita, next big thing. Rain Shower, Yes Pogi, Mary, and Indy Hay.
315, bale, kasi 315